Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the application hang detected error in Fortnite. Let's get started. First, press the Windows key and search for Run. Open it, type %local app data %, and hit enter. Now open the Fortnite game folder, go to Saved, and delete the config folder. Don't worry, this folder will regenerate the next time you launch Fortnite. Once deleted, try relaunching Fortnite. If that doesn't work, open the Epic Games launcher, head to Library and find Fortnite. Click on the three dots next to it, select Manage, and then click on Verify Files. Let the process complete and see if it resolves the issue. Still not working? Launch Fortnite, go to Settings, and adjust the rendering mode. Try switching to DirectX 10, DirectX 11, or other options to see if it resolves the problem. As a last resort, perform a clean reinstall. Uninstall Fortnite via the Epic Games launcher and reinstall it. Also, try launching the game as an administrator for better results. I hope one of these solutions helped you fix the error. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.